Hello students, this video is a continuation of your first chapter. In today's video we are going to see about tests of divisibility. So divisibility test means if a given number is given, we have to find out whether the number is divisible by 5, 10, 2, 3, 6. All these tests we are going to do in this video. So divisible by 10. So rule is, if the last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Okay, so one example I have given 340. So the last digit, it's ending with 0, so this number is divisible by 10. Okay, so some more examples, say 880. So here also last digit is 0, so this is divisible by 10. Then 9560, here also the last digit is 0, so this is also divisible by 10. Then next two examples, you can see the last digit is not 0, so those numbers are not divisible by 10. Okay, then divisibility by 5. Okay, rule is, if it ends with 5 or 0, the last digit have to end with 5 or 0. Okay, so then if it ends, then the number is divisible by 5. So example 655. So the last digit is 5, so we can conclude that this number is divisible by 5. So similar example I have given here. In the first two example, the last digit is 5 and 0, so these two numbers are divisible by 5. If in the last two examples, if you see, the last digit, it's not ending with 0 or 5, so those two numbers are not divisible by 5. We have to check only the last digit. For 10 and 5 and 2 also, the last digit we have to check, that's it. Okay, for divisible by 2, the rule is, the last digit have to end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so any of these 5 numbers, if the last digit is ending, it means that the number is divisible by 2. Okay, so 178, last digit is 8, so it is a number which is divisible by 2. Okay, so here also examples I have given. So whenever the last digit is 0 or 2, 4 or 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. Okay, now coming to divisible by 3. Okay, so in the previous 3, divisibility by 10, 5 and 2, only we are going to check the last digit, that's enough. Okay, whether it is ending with 0 or ending with 5, 0 and 5 for divisibility by 5, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 for divisible by 2. Only the last digit we are going to check. But in divisibility by 3, we have to look for all the digits. Okay, all the digits you have to take and you have to add it. Okay, if the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So you have to take all the digits. In the first example, you see 2779. Okay, 2079. So those digits, individual digits, you have to add it. 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, together if you add, you are getting 18. So 18, it is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So the number itself, the whole number itself is divisible by 3. Okay, the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, so here also examples I have given. 405. So 4 plus 0 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So 405 is a number divisible by 3. Okay, so this is how we have to find out whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Then coming to divisible by 9. Here also say same rule. Then the sum of the digits you have to take. That equal to what number you are getting. That number have to be divisible by 9. Then the number which is first given, that number will be divisible by 9. Okay, 46,926. Okay, so the individual digits you have to take. 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, so total sum you will get 27. So 7 is a multiple of 9. So the number is divisible by 9. Okay. So one more example we will see, 7686. So individual digits you have to add it together, 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. Okay, so these digits only you have to add it. Okay, understood? So that sum, if it is multiple of 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Okay, understood? So with this we'll move to the exercise. Exercise 1.2. The first sum is, if 21y5, okay, some digit is replaced with alphabet, okay, is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So they are giving a 4-digit number where one digit is replaced with a alphabet, okay, alphabet y, and they have given this number is a multiple of 9. We have to find out the value of y. Okay, coming to the solution. So a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is also divisible by 9. Okay, the number is divisible by 9 means the sum of the digits also will be divisible by 9. We saw in the previous slide. Okay, sum of the digits of 21y5 equal to 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 equal to 8 plus y. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so 8 is there plus y. Okay, so now only we saw if this sum is a multiple of 9, that's why we are writing 9 into k. K any integer it can be, that's why this number is a multiple of 9, so 9 into k you are writing. So first we are going to use k is equal to 0. If you are putting k is equal to 0, 9 into 0 is 0. Okay, so 8 plus y is equal to 0. So in order to find value of y, you will take 8 to the other side of equal to. It will be in minus 8. Okay, y is equal to minus 8. Can a digit be in minus in between a number? It is not possible. Is it not? In between you can't put a negative number in a you can't have a digit. Okay, y is a digit, so it can't be a negative number, so this is not possible. So next we are going to take k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 means 9 into 1 is 9. So 8 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 8. We are taking 8 to that side of the equal to, so 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Okay, suppose so you are going to try for k is equal to 2 also. What will happen? I have written, but that's not a correct answer, that's why I have given a strike through. Okay, so if you are going to apply k is equal to 2 means, so 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, 8 plus y equal to 18, then y is equal to 10. 18 minus 8 is 10. So can a digit be in 2 digit? No, it's not possible. It's a 1 digit. Okay, so you can't put a 2-digit number in the place of y. So this is also not possible. So the only possible answer is y is equal to 1. Okay, the answer you got in the previous. Okay, so that is only correct answer. So y is equal to 1. Understood? Moving to the next question. If 31z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? Very similar to the previous problem. Okay, so a number multiple of 9 when the sum of its digits is also multiple of 9. Okay, sum of the digits of 31z5 equal to 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so it is 9. Okay, so it is a multiple of 9, so 9k you are writing. Okay, then we are putting k is equal to 1, because when you put k is equal to 0 you will get answer in negative. Already we saw in the first problem, so that's why we are not putting k is equal to 0. So we are putting k is equal to 1. So you will get answer z is equal to 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, then k is equal to 2. Okay, again putting k is equal to 2, and if you simplify you will get z is equal to 9. Okay, k is equal to 3. Again one more time we are trying with k equal to 3. Okay, so you will get z value as 18. Okay, 18 is a 2-digit number. 0 and 9 are one digit number, is it not? 18 is a 2-digit number which will not fit into the digit of z. Okay, so this is not a correct answer, it's not possible. So z value of 0 or 9 is the correct answer. Z will take value of 0 or 9. Okay.